National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, until 10:15 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from 33 nautical miles northwest of Susquehanna Flats to 37 nautical miles west of Hanover.
Has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland.
Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Eastern Bay, wind gusts of at least 34 knots, locally high waves and dangerous lightning can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service. And now a special weather statement from your national